Hi, hola, bonjour, and Salaam. Welcome to Blueprint Bazaar. In today's episode of the Plastic Shredder Machine Full Assembly Walkthrough, Part 7, we reach a visually exciting and foundational milestone: inserting the primary cutting components, rotating blades, fixed blades, and spacers into the SolidWorks assembly environment. This stage doesn't involve any detailed mating or functional animation just yet, but it's a critical preparation step that brings us closer to building a fully operational shredding mechanism. For the first time, we see the actual teeth of our machine come into view, giving a clearer picture of the shredder's inner workings. We begin by importing all the necessary blade and spacer models into the assembly. Each rotating blade, modeled to fit onto the main shaft, added in Part 6, is carefully brought into the workspace alongside the fixed blades, which will later anchor onto the side plates or a fixed wall inside the shredder housing. Spacers are also included in this batch, those essential ring-like elements that maintain proper distance between the rotating blades, ensuring they don't collide and allowing material to flow smoothly through the cutting chamber. While no mates are applied in this part, we take care to place each component in rough alignment, maintaining the order they will follow once we begin precise mating and patterning. This phase is important for visual layout and early design validation. Before getting into exact placement, it helps to step back and evaluate how the blades and spacers interact inside the shredder's frame. With all blades and spacers inserted into the model, the shredder's internal system begins to take real shape. Even without motion or mates, seeing the core cutting geometry laid out in position adds a huge amount of clarity to the design. This is also a good checkpoint to save multiple versions of the assembly, one as a clean pre-mate layout and another for applying mates in the next video. Creating version backups can save hours of work if anything goes wrong during the mating or motion setup process. To wrap up, we perform a quick visual walkthrough of the blade arrangement, checking the sequence, spacing, and interactions with the shaft and hopper. We also prep for the next phase by aligning the blades generally along the shaft's axis, making sure they're evenly distributed and in alternating positions to simulate the future interlocking motion of the actual cutting operation. Though not yet functional, the visual assembly now clearly resembles a working plastic shredder, an exciting milestone in the design process. The main purpose of doing this was to slowly and smoothly grasp the procedure and steps throughout the whole walkthrough of this assembly so that you can easily replicate it and understand the basic concepts of the working of plastic shredder machine. Please keep supporting us as we dive deeper into mechanical design and development. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a step on this engineering journey with Blueprint Bazaar.